There's something new at Screen Print Direct. If you print with Plastisol but wish it had more of that soft, water-based feel, the perfect product is here. Plastisol Discharge Additive takes your traditional Plastisol ink and gives it some of the characteristics of discharge ink. To get started, you're going to need a water-resistant emulsion. I'm using PWR emulsion. The first step is to mix the ink with the additive at a 1:1 ratio. For example, if you have 100 grams of Plastisol ink, mix in 100 grams of Plastisol Discharge Additive. Then mix, and make sure it's blended thoroughly. Next, add your discharge powder just like you would when printing regular discharge ink, between 3 to 6% by weight, and mix well. When printing and curing, remember this ink will now behave more like a discharge ink. So keep your screens flooded in between prints and cure for at least 90 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Check out the technical data sheet linked below with all the info you'll need to get the best results.